Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your messages app, and let's say I want to delete the message right here. Tap and hold on it and tap on delete. Confirm the deletion. Once that's deleted, go at the top left corner of your screen named filters right there. So just tap on it and this menu will pop up, and as you can see at the very bottom you will see recently deleted, so just tap on that. And here you will see all of the deleted messages on the past 30 days, and if you want to recover something, you just simply need to tap on any messages you want. You could either tap 1, 2, or up to any that you want, and let's say I just want to recover this message, and so tap on the recover option at the bottom right corner of the screen, recover message, and then when you go back, as you can see, it is now back right there. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.